So on design and construction oversight was Joe Perillo and his team at Suburban Consulting Engineering. And
open space, it doesn't just bring us cleaner air and a place to recreate. They spur investments in our larger communities, and they help us to invest in ourselves and one another.
Well, thank you for making this park incredible for incredible people in the city. I hope to see you back here visiting and playing once again.